Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP130 printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, but in the Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP130 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain that says Canon support for PIXMA MP130. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, you should be able to see different information like software and drivers, manuals, that sort of stuff up at the top. But we're going to just scroll down here underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. You can also expand the operating system as well as version number if it's not correctly detected up at the top. But going down to the next section, you want to select the My Printer item in here. Select download. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc., Canon IJ My Printer. Select yes, and you can close out the web browser. So it says, welcome to the Canon My Printer Setup program. This program will install Canon My Printer on your computer. Select next, select your region, and then the following screen here, you want to select your country. Then next again, agree to the license agreement and then select next, and then this will install. And you can create a shortcut desktop if you would like. Select complete. And then if we were to open up this application, hopefully the printer would have been automatically detected at this point. If not, you may want to check the printer itself. Make sure your Wi-Fi password and username are all put onto your printer. And then come back on here. If you have a physical connection, make sure it's plugged in properly. You might want to unplug and plug it back in and restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.